我有夹。
Good. All right, we're here. We're eating dinner, and it is Chinese food for dinner today. We have dumplings and egg drop soup, and I thought this would be a great time for the girls to teach their dad some Chinese words because he doesn't know any Chinese.
But I make the food.
Yeah, he's the cook.
Hey Kayla, how do you say dumpling in Chinese?
饺子。
Jiaozi? It tastes good though.
I do. All right, tell us how you made this.
Flour and water for the shell. And then the filling is ground pork. And then lots of scallions, green onion, soy sauce, fish sauce, and different seasonings to really make it flavorful. Cut the dumplings into little balls and roll them out into about 4-inch circles. And then kind of fold them together with little pleats. And then you put them in a pan with a little bit of oil in the bottom. And you put some water in the pan, put the lid on, and then it just steams the dumpling, and the bottom gets nice and crispy. About the whole process.
All right, let's practice. How do you say chopsticks, Mia?
筷子，筷子。
I think your chopstick technique needs a little help.
No, I do not know how to use those.
Do you remember fork?
叉子。
Good.
我吃饺子。
Now, Mia.
我吃饺子。
Now, girls, tell me, are these sweet or salty?
I think it's salty.
How do you say it in Chinese?
饺子和馅。饺子和馅。
Mia, are you struggling with those chopsticks?
Yes. 我吃饭。
What is this, guys? Green tea, Chinese tea. That's straight from China.
What?
I brought it from China. Tea. How do you say tea in Chinese?
我有夹。
Good.
我喝茶。
Good job. Mia, say I eat 饺子.
I eat 饺子。Why you said to say it?
In
Chinese.
Chinese.